If you are looking for poetry, you'll never find it in a structural drawing. Engineers write instructions, not poetry. Bar sizes and spacing, steel grade, concrete class, concrete cover above and below the rebar, even on the sides. All of it, that is the contract with gravity. This is where some people think they are clever. The spec says this residential element should be cast at roughly 6 to 7 bags of cement per cubic meter with clean, well-graded sand, sound granite, and just enough water to make it workable. The ones that are smarter than every other person in the construction industry, they'll say, let's optimize it. Let's use 4 or 5 bags, salty sand from anywhere, dusty aggregate, and a bucket of water to make it flow now. It will flow straight into trouble.
How many times would they tell you?
Water is a silent thief. Concrete strength is water to cement ratio game. The more you splash to make it easy to pack, the more you dilute the paste that binds all the aggregates together. Bricklayers love soupy mixes because the shovel obeys them, but physics does not. You get honeycombs, weak edges, and cracks that introduce the oxygen into your rebar, and even moisture. Once steel starts rusting, it will expand, pop the cover, and the whole thing will start accelerating. What about steel? If the drawing says 16 mm at 150 center to center, that's not a suggestion. Swapping 16 mm for 12 mm turns your beams into bananas. You can't cheat diameter, spacing, or lap length and pray it holds. Prayer is not a load path. It's not. So here's the truth. Professionals do not cost you money. They save you money.
Say it again.
By stopping those invisible losses, you only meet years later as cracks, leaks, repairs, and even regrets. Let the engineer pick the mix, the rebar, and the cover. Let the QS police the quantities and the contract. Let the builder chase away water from the concrete like he owes them rent. If you want concrete that cures into strength, not stories, follow the spec. The day you start editing the recipe, you start negotiating with gravity. And gravity does not negotiate.
You're gonna learn.
I've been Folajomi. See you on the next one.